All right. Next episode in the K-Truck build is a little digital gauge thing. We've got water temp, RPMs, and voltage. It can only show one at a time. I wanted it for RPMs again for the tracks because it gets pretty wound up if you're in either 4 high or 4 low, but it gets pretty wound up. So I just want to see what we're running for RPMs. So it only comes with a warranty in Japan, and I'm really bad at reading this, but this goes into the OBD2 port, which is right above the clutch pedal, and then your gauge plugs into this little guy, plugs into the little controller box thing. So basically you just have to get it all tucked up behind the dash. I think what we'll do is pop this off for the dash bezel, and then where I have that little hole notched for my USB for the radio, I can just fish this little itty bitty wire through there pretty easy, and we'll be able to just hide everything all behind the dash. So let's get rolling. So yeah, that's essentially it. I didn't even disconnect my emergency flash or anything. I just fished my wire through this little hole, and I just have it hanging here. And then I just passed the wire behind underneath the vent and literally just dropped it down because there's nothing up underneath these dashboards. So this is what goes up to the tach, and let's see if we can get a focus up there. Literally just dropped it down. So here is the piece that connects to the OBD2 port, which is right there. So I think I'll probably just get it all coiled up and then maybe just zip tie it to those wires over by the HVAC box just to kind of hold it up out of the way. But yeah, I'm just gonna get it connected here. Plug those two together and then zip tie everything up. All right, so I did 3 zip ties. I did one right here to some electrical for the HVAC, I'm assuming, and then another one right there going to some more electrical, probably up to the dash. And then if it can focus, one more up here just to hold it out of the way so no moving parts are anywhere near any of those wires. So there's like your cables for the HVAC and then just anything else up under the dash. I wanted to make sure it was all kind of away from everything. So yeah, got it tucked up and fastened. And then there's still just like enough, I mean, cut the zip ties if you ever had to take it out, but there's kind of enough slack in the stuff if you ever had to like disconnect this little module thing here, but you'd never, from up in the cab, you would never know that it's there. So just gonna pop the dash back together and then mount the actual module. All right, so it just comes with a little sticky, just peel and stick, and then I just zip tied from the little GPS thing and have the little cable holder thing, and this is the other hooked on cable for this guy. But yeah, that was really easy. Took a couple minutes. I think we got it off. So yeah, that's the RPMs. And then volts and water temp. And yeah, I just want to run on volts, so should work good. Cool. Well, that was a quick and easy video. I will link this thing. It came from Japan, I think it was like $75, and then shipping was probably like 40 or something. But I like how tiny it is. So, and the install. I mean, if you really wanted to make it super clean and put like more holes in your dash, I'm sure you could just maybe put like a little pinhole here and snap it through or something like that. But yeah, I'm good with this. I already had this big visible cable from that GPS thing anyways, so nothing in your way. Nothing snags, nothing hits. So yeah, and you can, I mean, if I'm sitting back here, you can see it just fine. So yeah, should work. Cool. Thanks.